From the coastal city of Takoradi to dominating the national stage, Kofi Kinaata has proven time and again that he's not just an artiste, he's a lyrical legend. Over the past decade, he has garnered an impressive 14 awards at the VGMA or TGMA ceremonies, solidifying his status as one of Ghana's most renowned musical exports. Let's take a look at this unmatched success. 1. Songwriter of the Year, VGMA 2016. 2. Best New Artiste of the Year, VGMA 2016. 3. Songwriter of the Year, VGMA 2017. 4. High Life Artiste of the Year, VGMA 2017. 5. High Life Song of the Year, VGMA 2017. 6. Songwriter of the Year, VGMA 2027. High Life Song of the Year, VGMA 2028. Most Popular Song of the Year, VGMA 2029. Songwriter of the Year, VGMA 2021-10. Vodafone Green Award, VGMA 2021-11. High Life Song of the Year, VGMA 2022-12. High Life Artiste of the Year, VGMA 2023-13. Reggae Dancehall Song of the Year, TGMA 2024-14. Songwriter of the Year, TGMA 2025. Each award is not just a recognition, it's a chapter in the story of a man who blends wisdom, culture, and melody with poetic finesse. Put some respect on his name: West Gold, West Side, Team Move, Kofi O Kofi. Asantehene Orsai Tutu's distinguished speech at the General Conference of the Ghana Bar Association elevated Kofi Kinaata. Kinaata's hit song made headlines in Ghana. The king remarked,
"I can think of many countries which look at Ghana and concede, Yenyamoye, Zoom. Sometimes listen to the wisdom of our musicians and reflect on a piece like Kofi Kinaata's Obi Nyawaye."
The Asantehene mentioned that Kofi Kinaata's song speaks wisdom. The Asantehene speech emphasizes the importance of Ghanaians appreciating their country despite the challenges. Previously, Kofi Kinaata had received accolades from other prominent figures, including religious leaders and former Chief Justice Sophia Akufo, who declared him their favorite. West Side, Team Move, Kofi O Kofi. If you believe hitmaker Kofi Kinaata deserves a standing ovation, like this video, click the subscribe button never to miss our exciting content. Your support means a great deal to us. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest in entertainment news.